What's up, everybody? I'm out on the brand new bike. This is the 2024 KTM 300 XC-W HardEnduro version. So I don't normally buy these bikes. Well, I've never bought a special like a 6 days or any of the like the special edition KTMs. This is the first one I've ever bought. But this is going to be a sweepstakes bike for December, and so I just wanted to try it. It's got a lot of cool things on it. There's some stuff that's bling that like doesn't really do me any good, like billet triple clamps, anodized orange billet triple clamps. That doesn't do me anything. I don't necessarily love the hand guards. The hand guards are full wrap. I don't know which way I'm supposed to be going here. Probably down, yeah, because look. So the hand guards are full wraps, but I can't move my levers because the way that they work, it's connected to, like, this full wrap comes around and it's connected to the clutch perch. Same thing on the brakes, so I can't move my levers in like I normally would. But I mean, it came with a front disc guard, a rear disc guard. It came with, what other thing? It came with a front tugger strap. It came with a rear tugger strap, but like, it doesn't really work that well with the tail light on. So there's some protection parts for sure. There's also just like some bling parts that, which is the reason why I haven't done these bikes in the past, is I'm like, the bang for the buck, as far as what you get, what you pay for and what you get, it hasn't made sense to me financially. But with this being a sweepstakes bike and it's a cool bike, it's got a cool graphics package, it's pretty sweet, and it's gonna make somebody really, really happy to win this thing. So what, I've got 20 minutes on it right now. Just the bike is up to operating temperature finally, and might have to up my idle, adjust my idle up a little bit. But man, these TBI bikes, I've had many of them now, and they've all just run like dynamite. Pretty cool. This one does have the map switch. We're running on the green map, the hotter map. These maps are a little softer anyway on the XC-Ws, but it's great for traction and single track, so it's pretty awesome. What else? Forks are amazing on these bikes. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with the forks. These new spring cartridge, the exact closed cartridge spring forks, they're unbelievable. Best forks I've had on any stock dirt bike. As far as the rear goes, I'm running about 112 millimeters of sag on this bike, and then I'm running my rebound fast because I just don't get as good a traction as I want. That's probably the biggest complaint that I have on these 24 XC-Ws, is just the traction. Like, I struggle a little bit more for rear end traction. I notice it on loose rocky hill climbs and things. That's when you notice it. So I'm running more sag than normal and running faster rebound, just trying to get that traction back. That's the dealio, yo. We'll slow down here just a little bit and hit this log. Didn't want to hit that log in second gear. That could have been me getting thrown over the front of the bars. But yeah, the bike's amazing, feels amazing, runs amazing. Other things the bike comes with is like a gripper seat cover. Obviously it comes with a skid plate. The skid plate's okay. It mostly covers what's important. So, I mean, it's definitely serviceable for sure. This shell doesn't get a lot of use. But yeah, cool bike. And it'll be available I mean, it's going to be a sweepstakes bike for December of this year, 2023. So you can, at that time, you'll be able to go to my website and get entered to win it. I have no idea when this video will come out. If the video will come out in October, November, December, but hold your horses. This is where we struggle for traction on this chassis. One that's like steeper than hell, looser than hell. Jeez. Oh. Loosen the wheel. Goggles around. Yeah, this is where these bikes don't have it. I just can't get the traction that I used to get. See if we can get this going in. Having to stay way back on the seat. I found that I can't stand on this. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. We are steeper than hell. Holy crap. This thing just goes straight up. And I don't have the traction I need. I just don't. I'm gonna have to push the bike from here to get it going, I think. Shoot. That's what the problem I keep having. As soon as I lose momentum, I can't start again. It's too steep, too loose. Not enough traction, and then I hit these little root things that are right under the ground, and it's just making my tires spin. No traction. Okay, let's figure this out.